Have you seen those jaw-dropping viral videos of supercars crashing online? It's hard to believe. They're all made with AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use AI tools to create ultra-realistic cinematic car crash scenes that look like they're straight out of a blockbuster movie. Don't waste time, let's dive in. Step 1. Download Hitpaw Edimakor. First, download Hitpaw Edimakor. It's an incredibly versatile AI tool loaded with powerful features. If you haven't grabbed it yet, just click the link in the description. Once it's installed, open it up, and you're good to go. Step 2. Generate car crash video. Click New Project. Then go to AI Video. Select Text to Video to start creating your scene. In the Model section, you'll find plenty of options, each with its own strengths. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Veo3 Fast model for realistic visuals and natural audio. You can type in your own prompt, or use the built-in prompt generator to craft a strong one. I've already prepared mine, so I'll just paste it in. Next, set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Turn on Generate Audio, then click Generate, and watch the magic happen. Easy, right? And that's how you can create a car crash video using Edimakor. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.